I was scrolling on Facebook and I saw these mouth-watering images of Debra's vegan carob treats, and I stopped to scroll. And someone said in the comment section of those pictures that those vegan carob treats are thebomb.com. So that's what that person said. And even today, a package came and 4 people tried out these carob treats and they loved them. But, you know, people can call the vegan carob treats thebomb.com. They can love these carob treats, but I have not experienced them for myself. All I've seen basically is people eating the carob treats, and I've seen pictures of these carob treats online. But I have the package of carob treats, and I don't want to just see a picture. I want to put these carob treats in my mouth. My name is Franklin, and this is the unboxing of Debra's vegan carob treats. I should also say that Debra has known me probably even before I was born, but I, to my knowledge, have never tried any of her vegan carob treats. But that's about to change. I'm going to open up this package. OpenSourceVegan.com. And one thing I should say as well is that I was wondering if these carob treats would be okay, because they were being shipped to Oklahoma where I live, and I was wondering like what happens, are they going to melt or whatever. So I'm really interested in that as well. And I now have the package, and I think it looks pretty nice. Right here, I don't know if you can see that, but it says vegan carob treats right there, and then you can see how the packaging looks, so I like that as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up this package. And probably I should have used some scissors, but it'll be okay. Wow, look at how it looks right now. My cart, you might be able to see that it has very colorful wrapping for the carob treats, and then I like this colorful business card as well. So it lets me know that she is a vegan confectioner and caterer. That's what it says on the other side, but I really like that. And I believe I have a variety pack of different carob treats, and so I'm going to try one and we're going to see how it is. So I got the one in the yellow wrapper. Right here you can see that, and so I'm just going to open it up and try it out. All right, I have to say that I believe that the carob treat that I just had in the yellow wrapper does meet the description of thebomb.com. Yeah, that was amazing. That was quality, and it was just plant-based goodness. So right now, I have this brown wrapper as well, and there's another dessert in here, so I just want to try this one out. Let me take this one out. So this one looks like it's more carob. I don't see any nuts. There probably is some nuts in there, I'm not sure. But I want to try this out as well. All right, and you can get another picture of that and see how it looks like that. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in my mouth. And yeah, there looks like there's some nuts right there, I think. But I need to try it out. I need to see, not just see, but try. I don't need Reese's. I got Debra's vegan carob treats. Come on now. I want to now experience how this treat tastes in the white wrapper or silver wrapper. So I'm gonna just unwrap this, and all of them have been excellent so far. And I don't know if this is having a cherry on top or something like that, but it has some kind of fruit, it looks like, or something like that. And I'm just going to now try it out. So again, this is how it looks, but I want to see how it tastes. Man, this is quality. Every single thing that I've tried in this box and the variety has been quality. Now, not only have I seen a box, not only have I seen pictures online on Facebook, not only have I heard of other people's experiences, but I've tasted these for myself, and I can say without reservation, they are amazing, and I recommend that you go ahead and get a box for yourself and someone else.